Alright channel, this is how you make crunchy slaw. Get finely shredded slaw, give it a shake. Give it a shake to clean it. Stab a couple holes in the bag. Drain the water out, as so. Let out the top or the bottom. Just to get any bugs or anything out of it. I'll do from here. Get your slaw. Dump it into a pot or a tub. Alright, so cut open the bag, put your slaw in, shred it a bit. Get some praise coleslaw dressing, pop it open. So, pop it open. Just go to town on that shit. Just put at least half to 3/4 of the bottle in there. Then mix and stir. Right, so after a quick stir, that's the way you make crunchy slaw. Then you cut up the lamb, chuck it in some rolls, put it there, and presto. Thanks for viewing.